Hey gardeners, Florida Garden Gal here. Today we're going to dive into a plant that's super incredible, nutritious, loves our hot Florida climate, super easy to grow. I'm talking about longevity spinach. It also packs a ton of health benefits. So let's dive in. So first things first, why grow longevity spinach? Well, it's subtropical, loves our hot, humid summers, but also can take those dry spells we get. It's so easy to grow. It's cut and come again. The more you cut it, the more it comes back. It'll provide you with nutritious food year-round. The leaves are packed full of nutrients like iron, protein, and antioxidants. And don't we all want more of those? Now let's talk about how to get this plant growing. It's so easy to propagate from cuttings if you know someone who has it. You can cut a plant like this. You can take off some lower leaves, but leave 3 or 4 or 5 leaves. And then just simply stick this cutting in some good soil and it'll start growing. Here's a plant that I planted about a month ago for a friend, from a little cutting like that, which is now, I'm going to sit this on the ground, it's about 3 feet tall already. I'm just waiting on him to come pick this up. Or if you prefer, here's a cutting I did last week, and I just stuck it in a jar of water. If you don't know anyone who you can get a cutting from, try checking out a local organic nursery. So once you've got your longevity going, let's talk about some care and maintenance. It is super easy and doesn't require a lot of care and maintenance, but just like all young plants and young babies and children, at first they do require more care. So be sure to water it at least once a week, but once it's established, nature can take care of the watering. You might also want to put some mulch around it just to kind of keep the ground moist, and then fertilize maybe once a month. I like to use an organic fertilizer, plant tone, but whatever you prefer. And in a few weeks, you'll have a plant that's ready to take some cuttings. The young leaves are more tender, so you might prefer those, and be sure to cut it because it is cut and come again, and the more you cut it, the more you'll get. Longevity spinach is fairly pest-free, but you might see some Florida bugs like spider mites or aphids, but not to worry. Just sometimes a good strong blast of water will take care of that, or you could spray some neem oil on it. I've never sprayed anything on mine. I have seen the occasional leaf eaten, but it's just been so minimal, it's been nothing to worry about. Not like the cucumbers. The cucumbers, on the other hand, are high maintenance. That's why I'm loving longevity spinach. It's such low maintenance. Let's talk about some ways to enjoy longevity spinach. One quick super way is sometimes when I'm out in the garden and I'm just starting to feel a little hungry, I'll just snap off a leaf and start eating it. Tastes great. I also make spinach salads with it using some craisins and sliced almonds and maybe some feta cheese, some oil and vinegar. Just makes a great little salad the next morning. If there's still some of that left, I throw that in a pan with an egg and make a little omelet with that, or sometimes just fry the egg and let the spinach be cooked alongside with it. Also, you could throw it in your smoothies if you like that. You could saute it to have it as a side dish. You could boil it and rinse it and squeeze it all out and make a spinach dip. So anything you would normally do with spinach can do with longevity spinach. It's just a different variety of spinach, and I am really enjoying it. And there you have it, growing longevity spinach in Florida. It's simple, rewarding, and you'll have harvest year round. You'll feel like a very successful gardener, and don't we all want that? If you're looking for a hardy plant, this one's it. This one's a winner. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it the thumbs up or subscribe. Check out other videos we have, and if you have any comments or questions or any tips to share, by all means, we would all enjoy hearing from you. Happy gardening!